Hey, welcome to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to swatch and review the polishes by Nykaa. Now, Nykaa is a renowned nail polish brand which has got a very good nail polish collection. Recently, they launched Nykaa Glazed Nail Enamel collection. So, I'm going to swatch and review these polishes for you in this video. Before we move on to the swatches, I would briefly mention the product description. As mentioned by them, these polishes are 21 free, means they are free from 21 kinds of harmful ingredients which could be present in the nail polishes. These polishes are vegan, means they do not include any animal derived ingredients. These polishes are cruelty free, means they have not been tested on animals, and these polishes are paraben free. Now let's dive into the swatches. Now the first shade is Bubblegum Pink and it's a bright fun pink color. It gives the nails a beautiful look. It goes on smoothly and covers the nails evenly for a flawless look. Now this gives excellent coverage in 2 coats. The metallic shine makes your nails sparkle and stand out. Whether you are dressing up or just want a fun pop of color, this polish adds a playful and a stylish touch to your nails. This white metallic shade is called as Ivory and it gives the sleek appearance to the nails. The formula is smooth and consistent, which makes it easy to apply without any streaking. It provides full opacity in 2 coats and the pearlescent glow is similar to the sheen of a pearl. Overall, it offers sophisticated, polished look with a subtle yet a captivating shine. Now the next one is a pista green metallic nail polish. It's called as Pistachio. Now this polish is a soft pastel green shade with a shimmering reflective finish. It combines a cool minty hue with a glossy metallic sheen. This color offers a subtle look. It's perfect for both casual as well as formal occasions. The application is very smooth and it gets perfectly opaque in 2 coats. This is a beautiful shade. The next metallic polish is called as Champagne and it's a nude metallic nail polish with a subtle golden shimmer. It offers an elegant look with a smooth and opaque finish in just 2 coats. This formula is easy to apply and provides even coverage. The soft metallic sheen adds a touch of glamour to it, and it's perfect for everyday wear or a special occasion. Now the next one is a very light blue metallic polish and the shade name is Baby Blue. Now this is a soft blue color with a reflective finish. It provides full opacity in 2 coats and the formula is very easy to work with and it glides on the nails effortlessly. The metallic sheen adds a touch of sparkle and elegance. This polish is also perfect for both casual as well as formal occasions. And so this is a very beautiful color and I love the look. The next one is a light peach metallic polish and this is a soft warm peach color with a beautiful metallic shine. This also applies smoothly and evenly on the nails and it provides perfect coverage in just 2 coats. This is a very beautiful shade and peach is my personal favorite color. Now the next shade is called as Amethyst. This is a soft purple metallic polish and it's a pastel purple color with a smooth finish. It applies evenly on the nails and it offers full coverage in 2 coats. The formula is easy to work with and it provides a glossy, sleek look. This metallic shimmer adds a delicate sparkle and makes the color stand out. This is perfect for both casual as well as formal occasion. Now after white, blue, green, pink, one yellow has to be there. The shade name is Buttercup. Now this is a lighter metallic polish, though it is more vibrant and brighter than the other polishes in the collection. This is again a good formula and it gives perfect opacity in 2 coats. This is perfect for those who are seeking bold, eye-catching metallic effect on the nails. The packaging is very attractive over here and the bottle shape is normal like other Nykaa polishes, but the cap given over here is like Nykaa Unicorn Potion collection, but the color is little darker than that one. This polishes retail at Rs 249 each and you get 9 ml polish there. This polishes are available on Nykaa online and offline. So in the nutshell, this collection is all about the metallic polishes and they have got a glossy pearlized finish. The formula is really very smooth and easy to work with. Being the metallic polishes, you will have to take care of the brush strokes, but the brush strokes are not that prominent. They are gentle and they don't overpower the beauty of metallic finish. These polishes get the perfect opacity in 2 coats. The drying time is also moderate over here. They do not take more than a minute to dry. Now the trick here would be to apply the first coat, let it dry and then apply the second coat. The brush also is of a very good quality and it's a rounded tip brush, so it is very useful to apply the polish near the cuticles. This polish will stay on the nails for 4-5 days without any chipping. Now of course the durability of the polish depends on various other factors like your exposure to the water, the nature of work you do, and this durability can also be improved with the good top coat. Overall, I just love this collection. The colors are very pretty, the formula is really very good and this subtle pastel colors really stand out with the metallic look. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please show some love, hit the like and also let me know in your comments how you like this collection and also let me know if I need to do any improvement in my work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, then I would like you to know that I create content related to nails, that is nail polish swatches and review, nail art, nail hacks, nail care. If you are interested in this kind of content, then you should definitely subscribe to my channel and also keep the notifications on. See you in the next video. Bye.